Can you see my screen? Dili pa na, wala pa na share nako siguro. Okay. I am now sharing it. Is my voice clear? Can you see now the screen? Okay, nakita na. Sakto ne? Sakto ne? This is the file? Okay. Okay. Ano mo sigo mo ginana? Okay. Barangay record management system. In what particular barangay are you doing it? Are you proposing it? Okay, Barangay Malaga. Record. So you already go to the barangay secretary about this proposal? So also what is their feedback? Sa man jud, sa man ilang website ba yung galamon na di your record wala. So what is your what did you told them? What do you tell? System, website, sa man yung pasabot. Oh. Okay, what particular documents that they are working? Okay. Okay, so because we're talking about the record management system, so all the things that they are going to record in the work of the barangay will be recorded. So as you mentioned, you have only summon, and then barangay clearance. What certifications? There are many certificates. Dapat barangay certifications, like no. Yes. So, are those things that they are being working right now? Do you have a flow of the work? Nakakuha na mo mga flow nila dito? Wala pa. All the things that you mentioned, like barangay clearance, summon, certification of indigency and the number of households that they are really recording. Do you have already the flow, how they record it, or also man, all the details that you need to, right? I know that the manual sila, but I want you that the details of the things that they are recording, they are recording. Like for example, if you will have a summon, what are the things that the data that being used or considered? Nanamuan ang mga tanang mga data that they really need to use in that particular work, like sa summon nanamuan na kaya lain man ang data sa barangay clearance lain na po na. Okay, so wala pa mo ana. So wala things that needed for the development of the system are wala pa. So that is my next thing. The next thing you are I need you to do is to go to them and then ask the things that really needed. Oh, if na makakuan mo, makalugar mo, you can include me with your meeting. You can call me through Google Meet or anything else that's parang maklaro ta ng mga data from you to record. That is very important also. Oh, flow, yes. Na needed. Sa flow, sa summon, and then details of flow details. So maraman ng guro siguro ang ilang gitrabaho, wala magulain na. My question is, they have the computers? They have the computer? Usam laptop o computer? Pag sure mo diya. Kung na usa ka book na yung laptop. Mangutan ako, kisa may taga Malaga gud aning grupuha debe? Naibagyong naabot. Okay. So, laptop. So, si Rizabel, taga Malaga. Si Kuan Liteo, taga Malaga po na eh. Si Lindio. Na ikaw po taga Malaga, may wala pa na si Piat pag laptop. Okay. No. So na laptop na that is the property of the barangay. So okay, so it's okay na. Okay, so I guess na you already talked with the staff. So let me read your project proposal and let me okay, please mute your mic for me to concentrate. Yung raglangas na yung mga gagawin mga sakinan. Okay, so this is your project context now. We are living in a world where technology has been changing on how we deal in everyday situation. Technology has been the source of how we live communicate, work, and even learn. Record management system for Barangay Malaga is an advanced and automated process of managing a barangay to let go to the manual process in the usual barangay hall, such as handwritten documents, keeping records inside a drawer that tends to lose some records and transaction that the barangay is needed will be totally organized to process and fast. So, hindi ko sabot mo ano. Takasa mo kayo, last cake, tulungahon. Written documents, keeping records inside the drawer that tend to lose some records and transactions that the barangay is needed will be totally organized, easy to process and fast. So, nagsumbagay na inyong thoughts there. No? So, this project is intended to help the barangay officials in managing and recording all given files of the citizens. And this system, it covers all the functions, activities, and transactions of the barangay, which aims to provide a complete and accurate information to the barangay. It is believed that with the help of a software developed and designed this on the needs of the client, tasks will be simplified and thus make the record more organized and secure. Okay, so only one paragraph for your project context. So basically, we have to emphasize the problem. What is the problem they are experiencing as a staff. So we will also sometimes atong i-bahigon gamay ang inyong thoughts about what for your system. So first thing is kinsa jud ga problema because you already you mentioned here the project intended to help the barangay officials in managing record all given files and citizens. Kinsa jud ga problema, si kapitan, si barangay officials, or si secretary? Ang tanang record sa secretary jud ang kinahanglan. So barangay officials, kung mga chair, mga konsehal, wala na sila labot for recording. So may labot ito treasurer po daan eh. Kung man dagot ay kwarta dire yung gihandol. More on wala man po, pero wa man gyud yung state barangay officials. Let me also know, di ba, if the barangay secretary will hold all the minutes that has a session for the barangay, di ba, gi-record mo na. Ano mga barangay meetings for the official, di ba naman na sila annual session, monthly, weekly session, or monthly session ba na siya? Di ba na all the meetings have a minutes man na, di ba? What are the things that they record man gyapon na manually? Is it possible to include it with your system? Among meetings, so please include that one. Take note about that one because wala na doon. Okay, so please it is good. Right here. Kindly mute sa lang, sige lang as bro buto-buto na nun dia para mag-arayot pa. So in here we are living in the world where okay na siya. This is what we call general. Okay, nakita ninyo ang let me show you a panel. Imbudo. Kita mo imbudo, right? Itong talaksan og tuba. Imbudo. Mantika. Bahal tuba gina pala hubog ka circuit ba tubo tuba may example. Okay, if you see the panel, okay, pakita niyo kani it is a V shape, right? From bigger to, diba? So makita niyo funnel. It's like is an inverted triangle. Okay, let us kanya lang na diagram. Can you see it? Okay, in writing a project context or introduction in every research paper, it will be stated like this one. 'Di ba? So, dako, dako, nakagamay, gamay, hangtod nakagamay na siya. That is what we call general to specific approach. 'Di ba? Sa loro nimo. So, you in project context is also the same. The first paragraph is all about the technology or some like the first ano yung gibuhat. It is an introduction. So muna yung first paragraph. Ano, it's the so bro general, if you read, okay, general tayo. So after that, sunod aning second paragraph, it's really unsay mo ang intention. For example, Malaga, you mention na Malaga, o sakto na. You mentioned Malaga. Malaga is still it is a barangay in Bindoy where pila ka book population. Your background from general you go to the Malaga. Because if your this one wala dyan mo gusto solution sa inyong problem. Wag mo mention o say problem. Di ba? So here probably about Malaga, and here what is really your concern, what is the problem, di ba? What is the problem? So you state there the problems and what so sa naka-paragraph, di ba? Hangtod na maabot ito what is your purpose. Di yun na mahurot ng pinakatumoy, pero here what is your solution to that particular problem, which is sakto na ni the researcher what's it pinakalas, it believes that software to develop, pero yung mga na may una na what is your title, Barangay Malaga, the researcher proposed to develop a Barangay Malaga record management system to ease or to solve the foregoing problem in di ba, mara na inyo ang last paragraph. So pila ra ka paragraph, pwede ra siya. It's up to you how you are going to formulate your project context, but I want you to use this methodology, or we call it the illustration. It is from general to specific approach, from dako na idea to going to something na, di ba, into detailed, anto siya sa specific, more specific siya. So the reader will go to murabag the reader of your research will understand well what they are going to do, what they are going, dili lang kay murag namasakto man mo, but really the thought is not really place it well kay murag sayo siya ba na if you do like this one, bisag nindot pa inyong pagkabahay, nindot pa inyo ang explanation, once that you are not arranging the thoughts, ma-useless man gud siya. So you use this one, use the because here barangay to let go, the manual process, manual barangay. So ano mang to let go, ano mo let go bang ka? Bro, what is the reason behind why we let go? Press na imong love, kung anong mo let go man ka, there is a reason about that. Diba? So, inana na siya. Inspired God. So, inana na siya. So, you have to really tell the what call it, the reader why you let go. Mo siyang i-explain, because this one because in your side man good as a writer of this research, you know the reason why you have to let go, pero the reader must also understand unsay reason yung ano mo. Kung manang i-paragraph ko siya nimo to emphasize really what's going in your head, para ma-translate ninyo ang unsay inyo ang ganahang mahitabo para for us. So I will just comment it to improve. You improve this one and organize your thoughts. So, improve and organize the thought using atong atong panel diagram in okay gets guide na yun to. Always remember that one. So purpose and description atong ibasa. This project is intended to help the officials, delegate officials, di ba? Wala mo kasabot kasi inyo ang tabangan. Yung sa problema. So mo nang specific yun, parang kung makabalo mo kasi problema, kisa yung tabangan para ma-state o clear. Di ba? So, barangay officials in Malaga, so it's wrong. So, managing and recording all the given files of the citizen. So, may nahatag na files sa citizen po. Be specific sa kung ta. Sa mga files na gihatag sa citizen. What are the things, what are the files that the citizen of Malaga are klaro naman yung tingog. So, ako may sala ron. Sana putol-putol akong tingog. Sige lang, let me... Sige, okay ra. Probably, no? Okay na. Sige lang. So, in here, what is the files that the citizen give to the barangay official to manage? Oh, naman may statement there eh. So there is merit not clear. Okay, not clear because what is the given files? Kung sa mga files na gihatag sa citizen? Kana, na-zoom na. Sorry. Di mao pagka-zoom. Ara day zoom dire. Sa to zoom now. Where is it? Where dire? Oh. Isa mo na kurentihan. Okay, so makita nyo dire, that is the problem with in this one because you don't know, you are not organized. Kung kinsay ga problema, kinsay angang tabangan, what are the things needed, what are the details needed, mo itong kulang. The more we use terms that are general, mo na yung maka-confuse sa reader. For example, kanina ang inyong terms din na given files. Files is general. There are many files. Wait. What files? So, this one will lead to confusion. So, ang kamo may... Kanay... So, kailangan lang specific. Okay, yun kay ang inyong pasabot na amo na inyong ganana pasabot na files na kami may kasabot sa files na nana. So kinahanglan both side is very clear and specific parang mabalaan gid na to what are your really intended to let us know for your research. So okay, is needed. Okay, we will continue. So, this project aims to implement computerized profiling system. No po computerized profiling. system for Barangay Malaga Lesson House Drawers. Na ang inyong title is Barangay Record Management System. Na po mo iniingon na po mong profiling system. Gasumbagay na lagi ning inyong mga thoughts dire. Barangay recording na po profiling. Kung sa medyo yung ganahan buhaton, mag-profile mo, mag-record mo. So, specific. Do not mention any other things. Para nili. Okay, so the system is okay langas kayo. O sumunod na. Okay, then the system is a tool to help the barangay captain and secretary in monitoring the transaction of in his or her barangay daily. Kung sa may transactions taga barangay everyday, pilihalin? Unsa man? So, specify jud ninyo dayon sa inyong ganahang may tabo. Unsa na ang transaction is very broad. Transaction sa may pasabot na nagkuha og na isomon na ay nangwag barangay clearance na ay sa batulain na abay. So you have to specify. So may tapot-tapot naman lagi ni. Kung ano si Rizabel na naimo ng robot si Rizabel. Okay, so dai kana klaro na. So that's it. So play specific lang kita, specific ta what is the transaction. Please do not use singular that is first or second person pronoun na his or her. Ayaw ganyan siya gamita. So, kasi in the barangay, di ba? Daily. Tanga nagda in the barangay daily. Yeah. It can help the Wala man god. Kasi manang pang-mute sa ko na parama. Langas gid siya gamay. Okay, thank you sa pamay kahinom. Okay, the system. Okay. So, for me, the purpose of description, this is the continuation for your project context. The last paragraph that you were going to mention your project context is your proposed system. So really, you just disguise the purpose of it. Kasi yung purpose ato niya. So since the purpose of your system is to solve the foregoing problems, like katong ipang mentions na yung mga transactions, like barangay clearance, certifications, unsay problema diay sa staff sa paghatag og clearance, paghatag og barangay certification, sa paghatag og summon, sa pagkeep og records, imo na yung ipang mention. Because really the purpose of your system is to solve the foregoing problem. Mo may solution. So mo na yung ipang mention. Safe ka kay ang imuha ramang imuhang i-mention is only putol siya. Okay, kana. Awa mo ko gibuhat po noon po. Bababa sa signal. Okay, kana. Hello. Okay. Thank you. So going back, so the purpose of the description of the project is really talking about what is the purpose of your project. Now you know already that the purpose of your project, you stated in your last part of yes, the last part of your project context is you are going to propose a system. Now that system is the purpose of solving the problem. Now right now you're going to enumerate the purpose of solving the problem katong iyang mga problema sa mga pag-manage, sa pag-keep, sa pag ning paghatag isa sumon sa tanan pa isa secretary and so mo tay mong ipang-mention din sa purpose kay because by mentioning of it, it's also solving it by solving it for your system. 'Di ba? Mamatay mong ang system, ang imong purpose, ang purpose sa imong system is to solve their problem. Mura na imong i-mention dire. Ay nagpag-mention og lain pang unsa pa mga butang. Kaya the more kang mention og lain butang na wala sa purpose, it's really a big mistake. Ang purpose nimo is to create a system. So, imo siyang enumerate lang sa iyang purpose in every problem. Nawala akong tingog? Okay. Okay, so nakuha ninyo ni it needs to be improved. Okay, so ang objectives ninyo tulo ra ka buok. Pila naman yung objectives? To create to develop and implement a system that complies unong kapadaghan pero pila naman na tulo, pwede ra nagtulo. To develop a system to develop and implement the system develop and implement to record message system to minimize or to manage accurately the needed to katong katayin yung minute kinyo katong summon may i-manage na mga things to manage ang summon ra lain-lain man sila og main kinalain man ang summon kinala i-manage kinala man tog record kay og nasumunan na ka di ba naman ay mga inana kanang barangay certification pwede ra man di naman na ekip makita ra man kinahanglan ra makita na nakakuha ka atong certification pero katong certification di na kailangan ekip na may lain-lain man ang data sa barangay na uban na murarag nara kay purpose na Asia kaning tawhana nakakuha og barangay clearance pero not that di na nimo i-store ang barangay clearance niya only imo na i-record na nakakuha ra ka atong mga time unsay purpose nimo mura tay mo i-record pero katong i-manage nimo na documents palihog yung katong palihog example katong sa imuhang summon katong may i-record kay pila nakakasummon di ba naman ay mga offense kung pila nakakasummon sa barangay kay mo po na intended for magkihanay naman na siya i-summon yung napanay laing mga things to consider kana po na inyong mga na mga kanang sa lupon, di ba naman yung mga meeting lupon na usayon, i-record mo dyan po na sa barangay. Kato mga kisay, kanang iyang kontra sa una. Okay, we will wait. Ito sa, hello ka na. Hello. Basig madungog na ninyo. I will try to ping my network. Okay. So, I have also another thing na ding ipatawag sa barangay kay husayon. Di ba naman po dyan po na i-record nila? Kaya na ay mag-usay sa lupon. Lupon. Dili. Ang naman ko na siya summon may kato. Ang lupon is that there are people in a certain barangay na trusted na naimura sila og basta pangutaan naman na dito kay record Japon na nila. Di ko ka-explain na pero naay mitingon sa barangay di kay ipabarangay tikaw, di ba? Mag-abot sa barangay. Di ba mga inana? Di ba yung usayon sa barangay captain or sa pada mga tawanan dia. Iba i-record Japon ng tanan lang mga kuan. Tanan nilang mga nabo. Wala pa na include sa inyong introduction. Kung mga planes. Di ba wala pa na record sa inyo Yeah. So i-appeal po na ninyo na that is the capability of your system. Tanan mga butang na ginagamit kay from the term barangay record management system, meaning tanang mga butang na gina-record sa barangay, that it should be automated. And probably that is included. Kana siya na kanaganing mga transactions like kanang naihusayon sa barangay, appeal na siya. So mga things na mo. So i-appeal na siya ninyo. So kanang inyong objectives dai, pwede na siya og tulo ang pinakataas. Bahigon lang na siya nimo kung asa do napita ng mga problema na pubagay-bagay. For example, kanang lopon o katong akong gi-mention karon na bago, pwede to siya managing. So to develop barangay system to manage blah blah blah. Di ba mo to manage na puntay to develop a system to generate barangay clearance, certifications of agency, kanang mga pares-parehas og mga trabaho mo po na mo iparehas og term. No na pa kailaing term to minimize the workforce of anana force sa staff in doing this kind of task kanang mga imo po i-mention tanang yung mga trabaho. So kanara imuhang kay really ang objective nimo is to attain the solution. May objective nimo na imong objective is to solve the problem. So the problem imong i-mention diri katong mga things. So mura na tulo kayo ng dagan to develop a barangay file secured in the system, dagang kayong dawang ibutang dang sayo, di ba? Kung wala man tay problema about security, dagway. Di ako nagbutang man tay security. Di ba? So sayop na siya. Records all the taxes at the barangay. Mukha ba matag system to record everything. Wala na redundancy. Nanakaya diri sa to. Ayun na ni. Mura to ug sa inyong mga problema na inyo makater niya pohon na problema sa staff, mo yung bahigon. At least minimum of 3 ra. Maximum of 3. Maximum of 3. Maximum of 3 kayo. The more kang objectives na imo, the more dako kay mo ang imuhang trabahoon. The more kang muhatag po, the more kang trabahoon po. So unsa ray problema? Okay? So ang ako nakita man gud niya sa pagkakaron, the things that I see, problema siya sa pag-record sa mga sa pag-record o itong sa summon sa pag-record sa mga meeting every sa kuan o kanang sa naay mga kaso na isolve sa barangay, problema na siya sa secretary to record, and later on problema siya for storing. Okay? So maputol, pwede ra po ninyo na ma-review sa to ang YouTube channel kay nara po to recording dito na wala jud putol. Kung ano yung try my best for me to have a good connection here. So if wala gihapon at ikuan lang iwas lang mo sa YouTube niya later. So for now I still have no result sa inyong last submission. So sa inyong objectives jud ug unsa ra di problema bahigon ninyo ang mga unsay inyong i-develop, bahigon ninyo. Bahigon diri sa ninyo kay kanang katong ako IC katong sa recording og management. Okay, recording og management o record. Okay. So record management kana pa Japon. So record management, record and then managing the documents atong sa summon, sa mga meetings o katong mga naay mga session. So mo to'y i-store yung i-manage later on. Naraman butay mga butang na generate radikta like certificate i-appeal ra po to siya. Lahi ra po to siya. Lahi itong generating na maglisod siyang generate og mga certificates og na dali yung lahi po tong sa management, lahi po tong iyahang mga problema to fasten or to make faster the transaction, considering na siya lang usang secretary na lang. So man yung inyo ang sa scope sa inyo ang objective. The scope and limitation, okay, you already mentioned the purpose of your system. So here you are going to mention the functionality of the system. Kung sa iya mahimo, the system can add for example, the system has two users, for example, for barangay captain and for the secretary. The secretary will have motto. First, if ganahan siya mo print og barangay certification, you just go to that button, just murag ina-rate nimo unsay murag imuhang ganahang buhaton sa system ba o yung functionality when you generate certification, the system will ask only the name of the ba sa dapitan ni murag inana yung automatic it will print and save inana murag inana ba imo siyang ina-rate gani ang inyo ang unsay mabuhat sa system. For the scope and the limitation of the system is very functionality ginitanan. Sige lang, hapit naman alas 12. So, functionality na siya. Sa scope is the functions that the systems really can do, and then for limitation is the systems cannot do. For example, the system is limited only for offline use. There's no intended for online. So, if the barangay captain is far away to the barangay for the meeting, they only need to do is to call the barangay secretary for the reporting purposes. Ano ba? Kaya di man siya kato online. Ina na mga scenario ba? It is limited also for if there is a blackout, you cannot use the system. Di ba? The barangay citizens, the citizen of the barangay Malanga is cannot use the system. Only the barangay captain and the staff, also the barangay officials of the mga kagawad cannot use the system. Imo siyang ikuan. That is the limitation, the limits o sa mga dili niya mga buhat. Ana lang. So any questions, so please improve your work for you to ang naradyo mo na formulate. Ang na problema lang yun is from the start under sa project context, you are not guided. You didn't specify. So kung sa project context ninyo maklaro na ninyo mo ni paragrapa for the problems, makita mo niyo once na makita ta ng problems, in-state nimo ta ng mga problems, dali na kayo siyang pag-amaan ninyo purpose, mag-aan yung objectives. Pero dili mo guided, pataka lang mo sulti-sulti. Maglisod po mo pagama kay your thought is not organized. Okay? So any questions? So any questions? I will be giving another chance to create a proposal. This proposal is okay with me na, so you can now go, or you can now have a confident na muna din yung buhaton ninyo. So hopefully you can invite me for na may meeting sa na may plan, may polish lang ninyo nito, organize, then please na lang to really go polishing, meet again the barangay secretary and really questions what unsa ba mga kinahanglan, unsa yung problema pag what are the things that they need to record and manage in the barangay, so that we can also put it in your barangay, your proposal, like the things that I mentioned. So if Resabel, if you are planning to go with your secretary, please na lang call me, set an appointment para ma-appeal while you are talking. I can also talk, parang makasinabtanay pod mo, parang Mora man gihapon. For me, for dahan. Mora mo kong number ko. Palayo lang ko, parang na, as soon as possible na lang parang tatag. Hindi na ako i-time na niya ito bukit. Probably. Nawa mo ito ba? Wala ko kuhaan. So, ina na lang. Tawagan lang ko. Basta na itong balik mo sa barangay secretary ninyo for you to really organize. Kaya na pa may mga problema pang wala na. Katong mga session. Itong mga ipabarangay ka. Diba na pamuntoy. Pinapailaing mga concerns na we need to. Kaya mo man kung mo sa ilang ginabuhat, mo pa yung gamon. Para mabahig na to inyo to. So, any questions? Set me lang an appointment. Okay, so my schedule is do not put morning, pwede hapon. Basta ignar ako 2 days, 3 days ago before. Di late. Ug moingon ka na mag-meeting mo in mga unyang Saturday. Igna ko ugma para makabalo ko, makaset ko sa schedule. Ha? Ayaw pa ng ora-orada, mantiaw. Makuratan po daan ng patawag. Sir, nanamid diri sir, napukoy lakaw. Mantiaw. Pag-set og appointment, may malooy. For example, may maadto kadto sa maadto ka sa barangay secretary nako, te or sir, ma'am, pwede ka ma-meet na mo. Makamit na mo niyang next week. Ano ba? Parang siya po makagahin pug oras sa dako-dako. Ikaw ra jay mo appointment kayo. Kay mingon ra pug ka na. Te na kay okay karon te na. Naadi siya gibuhat. Sige tag pas ni pangota na. Okay? Okay, kamo na bahala. So, thank you for coming. Hope I help you. So I will be sending the similarity report. So please improve na lang, no. The deadline for the proposal again is December 31. So please improve. Organize lang ang kinalan sa inyo. So no other concerns, questions, clarifications, invitations. Okay, thank you. Bye-bye. Keep safe. Okay, bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.